In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace the line blade cutter of your string trimmer, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot, thank you. So you woke up today and said to yourself, today is a great day. You saw the sunshine, you saw the birds singing, and then you remembered it's grass trimming day. And if that's not enough, you go to turn on your weed eater and it seems like the line of the string trimmer is having a royal rumble and it's looking like your hard-earned machine is losing. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first thing that we want to do is use safety, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die. So that's why in this case, we're laying and clamping our tool on our workbench. Having a helper or a Watson goes a long way. Next, we want to locate our blade, and this is usually located on the plastic guard on one of the corners. And a pro tip, sometimes just honing the blade using a flathead screwdriver the same way you would a knife can do the trick. Because remember, moving the string trimmer around, bumping and hitting into things, the blade might bend or chip. So just restoring the blade to its original flat shape does the job. Another pro tip, torturing your victim, I mean sharpening your blade, also does the job. If you notice it's not cracked, broken, or pieces are missing, out of repair, you can take your favorite rotary tool or a filer and get the job done. But let's say you have no other choice but replacing it. Here is our first way, and this is the simplest and most common way on how to remove it, and it's basically pulling the blade out using safety. Because the last thing you want to tell your partner is that it went from a DIY job to an ER visit. And we like to use flat teeth or head type pliers compared to needle nose pliers. In this case, we're using vice grips because when it bites down on the blade, it has a more flat surface, avoiding any bending of the blade or chipping. You always want to be careful when you do the initial tug and avoid pulling towards yourself. Remember, you can always verify with your barbecue paper, I mean your owner's manual, for the type of blade on your particular model or brand. And to install it, we're just going to use the old reverse engineering. As you can see in this particular blade, we do have two holes that go on the two notches on the housing. We just want to make sure that we align the holes in the notches, and also in this particular case, the blade points outward. But let's say in your case, your string trimmer has a locking safety mechanism like this one, the technique is going to be the same. The only thing that using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to locate the hole for the safety tab that's going to release our blade for a replacement. In this case, it's located at the bottom. We're showing you now with needle nose pliers to show you how it grabs with less surface on the blade. And that's something we do want to avoid. So we're going to do the old 2-in-1 action. We press the tab in for a release and pull. Always remember to use safety. Always tug away from yourself because we want to live another day. And in our third style, it can be a screw or nut and bolt style safety feature that by just removing either or, you'll get the job done. No matter which of the three styles of string trimmers you have, the technique for reverse engineering is going to be the same. We're just going to repeat everything backwards. So whenever the household members say, "Why are you walking backwards?" you tell them you're conquering the string trimmer world. If you want to check out our video on how to load the line on a single or a double line string trimmer, we'll leave links in the description. Also, our next video on how to repair a line cutting blade which has fallen off or broken off, we'll also leave links on the description. Now you've done it. You become the greatest string trimmer line cutter of all time. The world has seen your action and has granted you a level up on the DIY world. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.